Sign up to receive a free list of homes emailed directly to you every Friday. Here's what you'll receive each week with this new free service: bank, HUD, estate sale, new construction, vacant homes, and homes for sales with motivated sellers. One of the most overlooked homes out there that are a great buy are vacant homes, where sellers are making double payments and really want to go ahead and unload that property. Now, how do you know if you've actually found a good deal? If you're planning on buying a new home or one for an investment, you better be buying at extreme discount. Let me explain why. Robert Shiller, a chief economist that writes the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index, reports that in 2011, midterm foreclosures are expected to jump 20%. He also believes that people will lose 5 to 8% of their home value in 2012. Some places will be much worse and some will be better. And then once the inevitable interest rate hike sets in and the value of properties at homes drop even further, that figure will jump even higher. And if you haven't noticed the inflation already, prices of things are really starting to go up, and the only way that you can curb that is with interest rates. The great thing about Wake County is we don't have a big price swing. You can see that in the first quarter of 2007 it was up about 7%, and the lowest it dropped was in 2010. It dropped to about 4%, which we're just a little bit over 2% right now. We track all the numbers here in our office for you. Buyers are still overpaying. As you can see, in Apex, Cary, and Holly Springs, they're paying a 97% list to sales ratio. They are paying retail prices, and it's not much better in Fuquay. They're paying 96%. Real estate is by far the single best investment out there if you know what you're doing. Robert Kiyosaki from Rich Dad Poor Dad, his tax advisor states to go ahead and invest in the advantageous rules of the tax law. The most advantageous rules out there are for rental real estate. Help supplement your retirement with cash flow. Hotpads.com, a real estate research firm, reports that rents nationwide jumped 11.6% in 2010 to $1,320 a month. Another thing to add, foreclosure flipping, which actually accounted for 75% of the investor deals last year, is now down over 25% in this current market. You have to educate yourself on what's working and what's not. Now, one of the best reasons I like real estate is your banker might loan you money to buy a piece of real estate, but he sure won't lend you any money to go ahead and buy a stock. I want you to go ahead and try this. Walk into any real estate office and ask for a list of deep discounted homes. Now, I'm not trying to go ahead and offend any of my fellow realtor friends, but they're all taught how to go ahead and sell retail. How do we find discounted homes? Legwork and studying the market patterns. We physically tour 5 to 10 homes every day so our buyers can take full advantage of our market knowledge. You have to know the market and its prices. Now, how to go ahead and get started? Sign up is on the right. We will send you a form to go ahead and fill out on what you're exactly looking for. I don't want to go ahead and spam you and send you a bunch of homes that you're not interested in like every other realtor will do. It's that easy. If you decide you want more than one area, just fill it in on the list there. We are now representing the Apex, Cary, Fuquay, Varina, and Holly Springs only. You will get a confirmation link, and the only way that we will go forward is going ahead by checking on that box and filling out that form. I will not send out a list unless I know what you're looking for. On the second Friday of every month, I send out the real estate market overview for Holly Springs and Fuquay Varina. It goes over the complete market stats of how many homes are out there, what they're selling for per square foot. It's a very thorough report that we go ahead and send. And then on the third Friday, we send out the Cary and Apex. I will only send the areas that you request. If we do find a home that's an extremely good value and we know it will not wait till Friday's list, we will be doing mini open houses as the best deals go fast. So you're going to want to make sure you go ahead and sign up on the right so you at least have a chance of looking at it. Our main website is www.wakeforeclosures.com, and my contact number is up above. So God bless, and we'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.